Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the June 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Celebrate, and it was also our first ever collaboration crate. So I worked with Jess Goals of Teacher Goals. She helped curate this crate, and she also designed a few of the items inside. So when you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card. Got a little refresh this month. This shows everything that comes in the crate, as well as where it came from and its retail value. Next, we have this Oxygen Bubble Deep Cleanse Face Mask. This is a sheet mask, and it's really fun. You have the sheet mask, and then it actually bubbles on top. This is from SF Glow. Next, we have this month's art print designed by Jess, of course, and it says, Celebrate the Small Wins. So important coming to the end of a really tough school year for most teachers, just kind of reflecting and celebrating. Next, we have what Jess calls a Beverage Hug. She makes and sells these in her store, though not this exact one. It says caffeinate and teach, and this fits around a small or medium iced coffee or tea, and this just kind of keeps that condensation off your hand or keeps your desk dry. Next, we have this adorable magnetic bookmark, also designed by Jess. So this will keep your place in all of your summer reading. It says, oh, hi, hello, or oh, hello there, and hey, hi, hello on the back. And let me show you how that's magnetic. So even if you turn your book around, stick it in your bag, it's not gonna come off. Next, we have this month's wearable item, which I am already wearing myself. This is a tie-dye knotted headband. This is handmade from Little Lolly Shop. We featured her headbands before, but this is the first time it has a knot on it, and I think that's super cute. I've been wearing mine all the time. Next, we have a sticker designed by Jess. It says, remember how far you've come, which again, just super important this year, reflecting, celebrating, and just remembering everything you've made it through and where you are now. So it's great for laptop, water bottle, planner, wherever you want to put it. Then we have a candle. This is from Until the Very End Co. handmade. It's called Cheers, and it is birthday cake scented. It smells so good. It actually makes me want some confetti, and as you can see, it has this really fun confetti inside. Smelling it again. And then we have this month's treat. This is Birthday Cake Gourmet Gum, again going with our Celebrate theme, and this is from Project 7. I think this is our first time featuring gum, so a lot of firsts this month. Going along from that, I'm so used to saying, oh, that's everything that's in this month's crate. There's actually more this month. So you might have noticed on the info card, there's a QR code on the back. And that is a link to some digital downloads just for Teacher Care Crate subscribers. So if you're a current subscriber, you already received an email on June 1st with that, but then you'll also have it linked on the card here. So there's a collection of digital downloads. We have 7 desktop wallpapers, kind of in different styles, depending on what you prefer. We also have a small wins tracker, which I printed out here. So celebrate the small wins. And it's proven that documenting the things going well in your life is actually going to boost your mood. So you can do this every day, every week, just kind of a moment to celebrate those small wins. And then we also have something that you can use in your classroom or out of your classroom. These are positive notes. So they come like this. There's 2 different styles and an editable one. This one says, you're amazing. It has Jess's artwork in the background there. And then there's also these ones that say, I'm so proud of you. So if you're still in school, you can send these to students, or you can use them next year, or just use and send to your friends. So now that is everything that comes in the June 2021 Teacher Care Crate. Again, you have your digital downloads, birthday cake gum, Cheers candle, tie-dye headband, there's so much stuff it doesn't want to fit in a box this month, your Beverage Hug, which I'd call an iced coffee koozie, your Oxygen Bubble Deep Cleanse Face Mask, magnetic bookmark, laptop sticker, art print, and of course just your info card, which includes the link to those digital downloads. So if you are not already subscribed, make sure you head to teachercarecrate.com by June 14th or earlier.